How to buy a Steam gift card with Google Play. So first, you just have to simply open or launch your Steam application, and then you have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you go to the left side, you will see here options like store, library, community, and so on. And below, you should see this Steam gift cards. Okay, so if you can't see it right here, then you can go to your store. Under your store, you have to look for this option or feature. So let me tap Steam gift cards, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, available as both digital and physical cards. Steam gift cards can work just like gift certificates, which can be redeemed on Steam for the purchase of games, software, and so on. So you just have to go to this part right here and then tap the send a digital Steam gift card. Below are just other options. So you just have to tap this and it will take you directly to Steam gift cards options. These are the available gift cards. So you just have to choose whatever amount you want to send as a gift. So let's just say I want to choose the first one. So I have to tap this and it will take me directly to the payment method. So all you have to do is follow the instruction here, gift delivery, send it now, search the name of your friend, and then after that you can leave a gift note. Now payment information, you can pay it via any payment methods there, including the Google Play. So all you have to do is to tap that one and then follow the instruction, and that's it. You will see that you have already purchased or bought the Steam card with a Google Play. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.